Hey friends! Sometimes we all just need to take a really big, deep breath. Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So a lot of times as writers, we're spending a lot of time and energy creating chaos and mystery and intrigue and drama in our fictional characters' lives. So when our lives, our personal lives, get really crazy and things happen that are beyond our control, it can be hard to focus on the fiction stuff. It can be a wonderful distraction to slip into these fictional worlds and get really wrapped up in our stories. But at the same time, when there's so much going on, it's not easy. And one thing I think we can say with certainty, no matter who you are or where you're at in the creative process, is sometimes we all just need to take a deep breath. So if you don't mind, let's do that all together right now. Ready? It's gonna feel silly, but we're all gonna do it. And we might not even realize that we were holding our breath or not breathing deeply before. So, I don't know about you, but I feel a little bit better. And I hope that even if you felt super silly, you did that with me as well. No matter what's going on, know that it too shall pass. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting Writer's Atelier. Check out the links down below for more motivation and inspiration. Be sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all next Monday. Take deep breaths, take care of yourself, and we will talk soon. Bye everyone!